Food safety is not an option, it's a responsibility. Hi there, and welcome to the Food Handler course, your fast track to becoming a food safety champion. Let's face it, one bad meal can ruin a business, damage someone's health, or worse. Whether you're prepping sandwiches, plating entrees, or pouring drinks, knowing how to handle food safely is essential. This course will walk you through everything you need to know to keep your customers safe and your kitchen compliant. From hygiene habits and temperature control to cross-contamination, allergens, and local laws, we're covering the real-world essentials that matter. You don't need a science degree. Just focus, curiosity, and a commitment to doing things right. So, ready to sharpen your skills and protect what matters most.